This is it. We're going to be providing the link in my bio, and that link is going to be to Google Drive. You guys are going to download from there the criminal affidavit form, 2-page form. There's lots of instruction on how to do it. You can download the 2-page form, and then you're also going to download the instruction sheet, which will provide the instructions. Between those and the video, you guys should be very, very clear on what needs to be filled out and how it should be filled out, and sent and so on. All the addresses will be in that instruction sheet. So, you guys, I hope to be on the road tomorrow. Right, we're gonna start the collection tomorrow. This is a big day. This is the time. We're gonna bring together all the evidence that we need now to bring this hell down upon this court that has acted unconstitutionally and illegally for 243 years, its entire existence. So, this is it. This is the time for us, and you guys are gonna get behind me on this to let me be able to argue on your behalf, to act as your advocate, to secure the relief that you guys need and have been seeking. So, the affidavit is pertaining to particularly the criminal indictment issue, or the absence of the criminal indictment issue that's in direct violation of the Constitution of the United States. I don't think I need to go over any more of what that is, but the next 2 weeks, you guys, is going to be my time to get out and talk and meet with all of you. So, what we want right now is if you guys want to set up a town hall meeting for me, right? If you guys want to get me over to your area to meet with the people that you have within your area, if you want to take the time to be able to set something up, just remember, libraries, they have free facilities. All you gotta do is just go reserve a big conference room, and we can have a town hall meeting. All you guys need to do is get in touch with me. We'll get scheduled. I'm gonna be going back and forth across this country by train right now for the next couple of weeks, and that's all that I want to focus on is these town hall meetings as we get the affidavits built up and sent into these consolidation points, where I will then be traveling around the country picking them up from these consolidation points, getting them back to DC before the swearing in on January 3rd. So if you guys want to, you guys know better, your particular area. I'm not from Indianapolis, right? But some of you are. And so you guys know better, how to get the information out. You guys have contacts within the area. You're already saturated within that particular area. It wouldn't do me any good to be able to schedule a town hall meeting, because I don't know where to even begin on getting that information out, but you guys do. So if you want me to come to your area, I would welcome you guys to set it up, secure a facility where we can do it. My time's free. It doesn't cost anything for me to come and sit down with all of you and the group of people that you're associated with for a few hours and answer questions and explain what's going on and obtain affidavits from all the members that want, or all the participants that want to be a part of this. This is huge, what we have going on. This is the biggest civil rights case in American history. This is going to make Brown versus Board of Education look like small claims court, you guys. We have 70 million people that have been directly impacted by this particular issue that we're going to be litigating. And this is the final blow to that court, right? We're coming in with a brute force attack right now with so many litigants that the choice is up to them. Do you want to litigate each one of these independently? Do you want to spend the next 1,000 years listening to cases that are all 100% legitimate, or do you want to finally let us have this debate and secure our rights and our freedoms that are constitutionally codified and guaranteed to us by our birthright? I mean, it's time, and I can do this for you guys, right? Let me be your advocate. Let me speak on your behalf in this legal matter. Let me secure you guys' liberties once again from this institution. Let me do that for you. But the next couple weeks, I would like you guys to if you want me in your area, you want me to come to St. Louis, schedule it, guys. Just schedule it. Let me know, and we'll work together. We'll figure it out, and I'll come. And we'll have a sit down, and I'll meet with everybody. You can invite them. It's a free event. My time's free, but we want to raise the awareness, because you guys got to understand that ultimately the decision is going to come from the court, but the battle spot in the opinion of the public, right? We're fighting the public right now. We're bringing about awareness of these acts that are illegal, and we're actually bringing it to a bunch of people that don't even realize they need protection, because they've never actually been involved in the injustice of this system that we call just. That's anything but just. So we're raising the awareness of the fact that the Constitution of the United States of America, our faith, our beliefs, our charting document, the very document that creates these offices and grants these people their rights, that they are not following the very, very simple, basic written obligations within that document. And just as Chief Justice Marshall said in the early days of the court, to what purpose are laws created, and to what reason are they reduced to writing if those that are bound to adhere to them are able to exceed them at their will, at their discretion? The difference between a government of laws or limited authority and unlimited authority is abolished if those that are to be restrained by the laws are able to exceed them by their discretion. The Constitution of the United States is a law. And it's a law that creates the authority of our government. And so when our government decides that they're not going to follow the very, very simple procedures that are written in the Constitution of the United States, the will of the people, we got a pretty big problem. And we have a very big problem across this country. And that big problem wasn't created by the people. It was created by who the people put into place into a position of authority and granted them the ability to be able to do that. And then through our ignorance, we've permitted them to continue to do this. And that's led to mass incarceration. It's led to millions and millions of people being illegally and unlawfully imprisoned in institutions that are doing nothing but enslaving them and forcing them into involuntary servitude so that we can benefit from their labor and the direct benefit of the state. You guys, the state has become the slave owner, and every single person that they deem or call a criminal is now a slave. I mean, that's what the 13th Amendment did. It didn't abolish slavery, you guys. It just simply traded it from a private institution to a public institution, and then we retitled it something different. And we told America doesn't exist anymore. It does. We've got 140,000 prisoners now in the state of Florida. Those prisoners are building the chipset for General Dynamics fighter jets, right? They don't get paid a cent to do that. They're answering the help desk phones for Northrop Grumman, a for-profit business. They don't get paid a cent to do that. We've got female prisons that are sewing the tags of Victoria's Secret underwear, right? They don't get paid a cent to do that. We have McDonald's hamburgers being made by prisoners down in Texas. You guys, this is not justice. This is slavery. And we need to make sure that we bring this to people's attention and say, is this really the path that we want to head down, right? Is this really what we want to do? Because this is destroying our country. Slavery has destroyed every single nation that's ever employed it. And we are on the brink of destruction right now. We need to wake up, but we're going to wake up by bringing this to the attention of the public, right? We want to bring some event that's so big and so significant that they can't shut this down, that they can't make this go away, that they can't look away and say, we're just going to ignore it any longer. Because this is the future of our country. This is the future for our children and our children's children. This is the time that we need to step up and we need to do something to save this country. Okay, if I get 500,000 criminal affidavits, 500,000, we did the numbers today. We looked at it. 2 reams of paper is 500, right? So if you look at the numbers, right, just the sheer numbers, and these are reams that are packaged tight together. That's 100 boxes, 100 great big boxes of paper. 100 of them would be 500 criminal affidavits, and these are gonna be loose. So we might have upwards of 140 boxes of paper, and that's again just assuming 500,000. I think we're gonna exceed that number quite easily, but that's the message that we're going to be bringing across when we get back to Washington, D.C. on January 3rd. I'm going to need 140 people to help me carry these boxes into the Supreme Court of the United States and say, what do you want to do about these crimes that are being committed by your agents under your watch, crimes that are punishable as prescribed by law by death, right? That's the message that we want to get across, is that we have so many crimes that are being committed against people in the United States by the very people that were instituted and put into place to enforce and administer the laws, and yet they've never in the history of their institution ever done so. So you guys, give me the chance right now, right? Give me the chance. Let me come out, let me talk with you guys, but more importantly, please donate, right? Please help me help you get across this country, get this information out. I'm doing this because it's the right thing to do. I'm doing this because I love all of you, because I love my country, and I want to see us go a different direction. So we have Cash App, we have Chime, we have Venmo, and we have PayPal. They're all exactly the same. It's We Shall Be Free. That's WESHALLBEFREE. We shall be free. And you guys, every single cent that you guys give me goes to this, right? Goes to this. And please just give me an opportunity to be able to support you guys. I need $200 more, right, to be able to be on the road tomorrow. I know that there's going to be another need. I didn't expect for the hundreds of dollars that we spent today on supplies, but that was a necessary evil. And so please, if you can, donate, and if you can, send me a message, and I will come to your town for a town hall meeting. Thank you guys so much. God bless, and together we shall be free.